Okay, I'm going to show you a new way to clean cans. It's a lot faster than the way you've probably heard of in the past. I'm sure if you're a serious can collector, you've heard to use wood bleach. You got to mix powder into hot water. Then you got to soak them for at least an hour. Then you got to scrub them. Then you got to soak them again for another couple hours and keep scrubbing them for like 24 hours. That's a lot of work. And finding wood bleach is kind of difficult. It costs about $8 for a package of it. This new way is a lot faster and cheaper. You just got to buy some of this. Got to make sure you get the right kind though. It's got the bent neck on it. Take some of that. Okay, you shake it up a little bit to make sure you mix the acid. Then you just get some kind of a little container that'll hold about half an ounce maybe. And then you get yourself an old toothbrush. And then you find a can that looks something like that. It's going to be kind of hard with holding the camera and doing this one-handedly. But you just put a layer of that on there. It's not about scrubbing it right at the moment. You're just trying to get a nice even layer of acid on there. So once you've got a nice layer evenly applied to it, you just wait a minute. And if you want to make the top clean, of course, you can do that as well. So after you let it sit for just a minute and a half, it's ready to start scrubbing. Maybe you'll want to get the brush a little wet again and then scrub the whole can and let it sit for another minute or two. So you should get about 5 or 6 cans that you need to clean. So while the one is kind of soaking, you can be doing the other ones for 45 seconds each, and then by the time you're done with those, you'll be ready to scrub the first can again. Okay, I've been scrubbing on it every 2 minutes for 6 minutes now, so that's about all it's going to take. So then you just rinse it off and scrub it again one final time with the clean water. You want to wear glasses and gloves if you're worried about acid on your skin, because it definitely is going to hurt your skin after you get it on there for a few minutes. So there you go. Much faster and much cheaper than the other method. You can get this acid for about $1, maybe $1.50 at the dollar stores. So go ahead and try this instead of that wood bleach, and you might think this is the better way.